little bit weird.
Yeah.
But the beauty of the Shopify experience is like, and I mean, I would take the next hour listing it. We get our customers. I have 30 on one store. So I have the general store that just does the churn and burn. Hey, oh yeah, okay, makeup brushes are that look like mermaid tails are trending. I'm going to put that up on my store. Now, in order to put that up on my store, I literally take a picture of it, put it up, write a little description, decide what to price it, and it's live. Sometimes I don't even know where I'm getting it from. I mean, if it's trending, I know it's for sale somewhere on AliExpress, so I'll find it. So, I can test 4 to 5 products a week if I want to. It costs me about $200 to $250 to test a product. Like, that's how much I'm going to lose if I really bomb, which is fine. I mean, compare that to Amazon, which maybe if you have a lot of money, you can test 3 products a year. And it's going to cost you $4,000 to test, if you're really doing it right with private label and launches and all of that. And, all this research and keywords and, how I do my research on Facebook? I buy stuff off of Facebook ads, just random stuff. And that way Facebook puts ads on my personal profile in front of me because they see me as a buyer on Facebook. So, and it's great because I get to write that off as R&D. Right. I buy this on Facebook. Oh, it's research. I was just looking to see. So I have 30,000 customers on one store. Okay. So I was saying you do the churn and burn. When you get something that sells, you can create a new store that's just for that. So I have an automotive store because the ice scraper store worked. The ice scraper worked, right? I put that in its own store and now I can sell anything else for the car and it's all very related. So I have a lot of returning customers and, people I can retarget. On my main store, the one that took off like that, I have 30,000 existing customers. That means every time I want to test something new, I have 30,000 emails. I can email them all the time. I can retarget them. If they bought this necklace, maybe they'll want this ring or this pillow. I can put anything I want under frequently bought together. I can suggest anything. I can have upsells. I can have cross sells. I can text them a message saying, hey, looks like you left something in your cart. And then there's a link. And when they click that link, they don't just come to my store, they go to their cart. I mean, all of those things that you don't have the ability to do on Amazon.